everyone, I'm SoloTravelar, and in this video we are going to discuss how to book for COVID-19 vaccine. And in last video we have already discussed that how you can download the application on your mobile and how you get registered for the vaccination. If someone still not get registered, please follow our video 1 link and follow all the steps to get registered, and then you can follow all the steps in this video, and we're gonna discuss that how you can answer the simple questions for booking the appointment, and then how to select the nearest available vaccination center. And the third and last very important option is how to select the date and time for taking the vaccination. So just follow this video and follow all the steps. Open the app and log into your account. What does it mean? It means like you just need to open the application and you can find out there is option available, sign in. Just click on that option, and after receiving the confirmation message for eligibility, you have to open and log in to the Sehhaty app using your valid Iqama, national ID and password. Once you have been successfully logged in, you can view the first option that is COVID-19 vaccine. Click on that button. In second screen you can see select the option that is me for yourself and dependents if you are booking for your family. If your status is showing eligible, then you can click on book view appointment. Read the provided guidelines. Click on book COVID-19 vaccine appointment button. Just answer the few simple questions, and these questions based on your health condition, choose the suitable answer. In my case, I will click on no. Based on your health condition, you can choose the different answer. Like you can have multiple screens and multiple questions in front of you, so you can choose yes or no. It is recommended to choose the nearest available vaccination center, because in this list, as I told you in my last video, we have discussed that you need to enable your location services. What is the benefit? Benefit is here that based on your location, you would have been suggestions the different vaccination center which is near to your location, and it can be shown in the kilometers all the vaccination center. So select as per your nearest vaccination center. There is a chance that you can get the error message, there are no dates available right now. In this case, try again and you will find the date. There is a possibility that there are no time slots available, so try selecting other dates. Upon date selection, the application will show all the available time slots for that day. Select the time of your convenience from the available time slots for the day. Click on the confirm button to confirm the date and time selection for the COVID-19 vaccine. Now you will receive a confirmation message on your registered mobile number and on the Sehhaty app screen. After closing the confirmation screen, review the dose appointment information, and here is all the information in front of you: your name, your Iqama number and center for the vaccination, date and time. On the bottom you can see here is a barcode, and very important information is on the bottom, that is second dose for the COVID-19 vaccination. You would have been given automatically for the second dose. On this screen you will receive the confirmation message along with selected date, time and the vaccination center location link on your mobile. And what is in this message? That is, dear user, your COVID-19 vaccine appointment are confirmed on the following dates. You would have all the information related to your first vaccination and second vaccination, including the location you have been selected. You can review, cancel your vaccination booking at any time by clicking the view appointment. And you can see the doses appointments, that is appointment detail for the first and second dose. I hope you understand all the steps. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos.